Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out something interesting. Can a $100 noise-canceling headphone actually compete with models that cost $250 or more? Well, meet the Baseus Inspire XH1 ANC headphones. And trust me, this one might surprise you. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back. The channel where tech isn't just reviewed, it's experienced. This is Braj Buzz Tech. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tech drop from Braj Buzz Tech. Design and build first impressions. These look very premium. The design clearly takes inspiration from Bose style aesthetics, clean, minimal, and modern. You get two classy color options, Cosmic Black and Starlight Off-White. The hinges fold flat and inward, which is great for travel. You also get a protective hard case in the box, something you usually see in more expensive headphones. Now, one thing to note, the hinges feel a bit loose. They're metal, so durability should be fine, but they don't feel super tight or premium when moving. Comfort-wise, very impressive. The ear cushions are soft, replaceable, and great for long listening sessions. The clamping force is gentle, perfect for work or travel, but maybe not ideal for intense gym workouts. Bonus, it has an IP66 rating, which is rare for over-ear headphones. That means strong dust and water resistance. Sound quality. This is where things get interesting. The XH1 features Sound by Bose tuning, and honestly, you can hear it. Out of the box, the sound is balanced with clear mids, crisp highs, neutral bass. If you want more punch, there's a powerful bass mode. Still not enough? Turn on Bass Boost, and trust me, it hits hard. You also get 7 EQ presets, 8-band custom equalizer, optional LDAC codec for better Bluetooth audio quality. Now, important note, the ANC modes slightly change the sound signature. Transparency equals very natural. Normal equals slightly stronger bass. ANC equals everything feels amplified. So yes, the sound changes depending on the mode. But overall, for this price, the sound is genuinely impressive. Noise cancellation and transparency. The ANC performance is surprisingly strong. It performs close to headphones like Sony ULT-Wear, Sennheiser Accentum Plus, and those cost much more. For commuting, cafes, office noise, and it does an excellent job. But the real surprise, transparency mode. It sounds natural, clear, and you can hear your own voice clearly while speaking. Only downside, transparency doesn't work during calls. That's a missed opportunity. Call quality itself is very good though. Background noise is handled nicely. Battery life. Now, this is insane. Baseus claims up to 100 hours of battery life. Yes, 100 hours. That's with ANC off and moderate volume. Even with ANC on, you get up to 65 hours, and which beats most flagship headphones. And fast charging, 10 minutes equals 12 hours of playback. That's excellent. Controls and features, physical buttons, no touch controls. Easy to use. Though, track skipping is reversed from normal logic. Volume up skips backward. Slightly confusing at first. No wear detection, no USB audio support, no Auracast. Dolby audio modes are included, but honestly, they don't sound great. You're better off leaving them off. Value verdict. So here's the big question, are they perfect? Number, are they incredible for the price? Absolutely. For around $100, you're getting great sound, strong ANC, excellent transparency, massive battery life, premium styling travel case included. If you want high-end features without paying flagship prices, the Baseus Inspire XH1 is a fantastic value. Thanks for tuning in to Braj Buzz Tech. If you found this video helpful or just love geeking out over gadgets, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon so you never miss a drop. This is Braj Buzz Tech. We'll be back soon with more tech magic. Until then, stay tuned, stay buzzing, and peace out.